Combustion and flame. Today we will learn calorific value of a fuel, characteristics of a good fuel, burning of fossil fuels generate harmful products. Dear learners, all combustible substances cannot be used as fuels, and all fuels cannot be used for all applications. Actually, different fuels produce different amount of heat and light energy on burning. Besides the energy produced, the choice of a fuel for a particular use depends on its availability, efficiency cost, and the amount of pollution caused by it. Right? The amount of heat energy released by a unit quantity of fuel on complete combustion in oxygen is called the calorific value of the fuel. The calorific value is expressed in kilojoules per kilogram or kilocalorie per kilogram, etc. Higher the calorific value of a fuel, the better is the fuel. Hydrogen is considered the best fuel as it has the highest calorific value. That means it provides highest amount of heat energy when it is burnt in presence of oxygen. However, it is difficult to handle hydrogen in gaseous form. Liquid hydrogen is used as a fuel in spacecraft. The energy produced by burning of fuels can be converted into usable forms like heat energy, mechanical energy, electrical energy, etc. Yes, fuels can be used to produce different amounts and different forms of energy like heat energy, mechanical energy, electrical energy, and so on. Characteristics of a good fuel. Number 1, it should be cheap and easily available. That means it should be pocket friendly and available for common. Number 2, it should have high calorific value. Number 3, it should neither burn too fast nor too slow, but at a constant rate. In other words, the ignition temperature of the fuel should be fairly low so that it can be burnt easily. But the ignition temperature should not be less than the room temperature. That means the fuel should not ignite itself without being given any source of fire. Number 4, the fuel on combustion should not produce soot. Soot means smoke or any unburnt carbon particles or a harmful gas or any other residue. That means it should be a clean, smokeless fuel. Number 5, the fuel should be safe to handle, store, and transport. Burning of fuels generates harmful gases. The gaseous product such as carbon dioxide or carbon monoxide and particulate matter like ash, soot, etc., produced by the burning of fuels affect the environment in many ways. Nowadays, CNG, that is, compressed natural gas, has proved to be a better fuel than any of the solid or liquid fuels mentioned earlier. CNG burns completely without leaving any residue. It has a high calorific value and low ignition temperature. So, it is clearly a clean fuel, pocket friendly, and giving us lot of heat energy.